So good afternoon, Tikam. It's glad to have you
Yeah, very good afternoon, sir.
in my certification in data science 90 days foundation program. And to start with, if you could just brief me about your current work and your educational background and your journey so far, and what is your intent to join the program and your short-term and long-term goal. So that way it will be quite helpful.
Okay. Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Myself, Tikam Sony. I'm basically from Rajasthan, Jaipur itself. I have started my journey with a logistic company in TCI, with TCI, Transport Corporation of India Limited,
Okay.
2007. 2007 to till now, I am in logistics field, supply chain and logistics field.
Right.
Before joining to TCI, I was in education department as well. In private sector, I was taking for 8, 9, 10 classes in Adarsh Vidya Mandir as well.
Okay.
I have
It's
spent the
probably
4
into the
years in
teaching
Bangalore.
profession. Yeah.
Yeah, teaching profession.
Mhm. All right.
So I was there 2000 to 2011. I was in TCI and Bangalore, and after then I moved to Mysore itself, where I have started my career as a trainee assistant, and after then I moved to assistant and as a branch manager.
Okay. Which bank?
Branch manager, TCI,
PC.
TCI XPS. Yeah,
Okay.
transport. Yeah, TCI XPS.
Okay.
After then, due to my some family background as well, I moved to Jaipur in 2011, and Blue Dart Express Limited is the subsidiary of DHL.
Right.
As a operation executive.
Right. Okay.
Thereby, I
Operation.
was taking where I was taking care for the air, surface, and by road movements as well, and as well as the hub movement. Whatever we are doing on the mother hub, metal is coming from the all over Rajasthan, and we have consolidated and sending back to their hubs as well, in north as well as in west zone as well. After then, I got the opportunity to move in DHL supply chain. DHL supply chain is the mother company of the Blue Dart Express Limited in
Right.
Jaipur. 2015, I moved as a assistant manager. Uh,
Right.
Actually, this was the project with the JCB India Limited.
Okay.
This is the plant movement. Manufacturing plant is there.
All right.
While we have managed for their transportation as well as their supply chain, with just in time, as well as pan India pickups and deliveries. After then, their PTL and FTL movement. After some of the circumstances, there was some plant activities as well. We are taking care for line fitting as well.
Okay.
I got the opportunity to manage their store as well. That time it was in the raising period.
All right.
Now that this plant is fully start up, and that time we have starting the machine. Only we are using to asking the parts from Pan India to manufacturing the parts as well. Okay, now they are sending they are dispatching the parts, so they are as a stock transfer orders to their Hyderabad office.
Okay.
So totally, my experience is in logistics and supply chain.
Right.
My family background is I am having the 2 babies, and with my mama, sisters, having a good family.
Excellent. Super.
My educational background is just I have done my BA. After then, the BA in geography, public administration, and Sanskrit as well. After then, done my MBA. Sorry, MA in Sanskrit. After, because that time I was in education teaching profession. That time I done accordingly.
Right.
After then, once I moved to Bangalore. Before Bangalore, I done 2 courses by IRT, Institute of Rail Transport.
Okay.
The first course was Rail Transport and Management, and secondary was the MMT module. MMT means Multimodal Transport Contracting and Logistic Management. This was the same thing from IRT New Delhi.
Right. So
Once after then,
yeah. Mm-hmm. Please go ahead.
After then, I have done my correspondence MBA in Supply Chain Management.
In supply chain.
2020, yeah, Supply Chain Management. Today, I'm also as a deputy manager in DHL Supply Chain as well. Now,
so currently your designation is deputy manager, right? Sorry, currently yours. Okay.
Sorry.
Currently your designation is deputy manager.
Yeah, deputy manager.
Okay.
Our package is DHL Supply Chain.
Right. Yes.
And my CTC is 8.5 currently.
8.5.
After the 15 years.
After 15 years.
This is a very far. We are very behind the current. Yeah.
Right. Okay, so one quick question, Tikam. So I have taken a notes of this and all. So what brings you into data science? Like why? Like since you are coming from educational background, then you are there into supply chain logistics and all. Quite long time as a deputy manager in DHL. So what brings you in data science? Why you want to transform your career into data science?
Actually, there are so many huge opportunities to perform my career, and where I see today in current scenario, I'm not getting so much my hikes and my as per my experience, there is no such remuneration. Data science is a huge career. There is a huge prosperity and there is a huge opportunities where we can move and ahead and take a long worthy my career as well.
Perfect. Absolutely. You are absolutely right, because this provides a lot of opportunity. And the best part is data science is not only for engineers or doctor and all, right? It is applicable across all the streams. Even if you're coming from BA, BCom, BBA, MBA, MCS, BCS, whatever stream you are coming from, data science is open for everyone because it is a data analysis. Analyze the data and solve a business problem. Absolutely. Perfect. And
actually, I have a.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, we have also worked with my team as well. We have monitoring for their KPIs, SLAs, SOPs creations, and dashboard creations. Currently, we have used sometimes for Power BI as well.
Perfect, right. And that is what we are covering in the program itself. So one quick thing, Tikam, for you, that Dr. Tikam, for you, that since you are trying to get into data science, so you might have tried with a different institute, different courses and all, right, before joining me. So basically, what triggered you that this is my perfect fit and this is the program that I should go for? So what has inspired you?
Actually, I have listened so many universities about Coursera, Unacademy, but in my current knowledge and scenarios, they are providing only the academic education. Like academic only, theoretical only. There is no such of the projects management and other things which is really required for your personal growth and career perspective. Even though I was maybe you are not aware, I was connect with you last 2 years. Today is the right time when we are getting this is a great opportunity for me to we are meeting on Zoom personally face to face. Actually, I was follow up with you as well.
Okay.
But even though I suggested to so many guys just to go with Manoj Gupta sir. He is a very nice person, and surely you will get the right thing or right direction with your career perspective.
Thank you.
That's why this is the right time. I have moved with you only.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Tikam. Thanks for your trust and confidence. And yes, that is my endeavor. My intent and my mission is to make you successful. Once you are successful, I will be inherently successful. So that is how this entire thing
Absolutely,
works. And my also expectation is that from each one of my students, that please make your customers successful. See, as a data scientist, finally you are going to work for a corporate, and finally you are going to work for your customer. And your intent should be to make your customers successful. Once your customer is successful, you can see skyrocketing your career. Your career progression will be fast. Your salary would be much better. Your growth would be there. You will be indispensable within the organization. So that is what I want to inculcate in each one of my students out there. Perfect.
absolutely, sir.
Thank you very much. So just to brief you, Tikam, that how this entire program is designed. So it is a 90 days data science transformation program. It's like a challenge, 90-day challenge, and it is like
Okay,
every week. So we have 12 weeks in 3 months time, and every week Saturday and Sunday we'll be having the program in the morning 8 a.m. or in the evening 8 p.m. So whatever suits you, you can join that program immediately. So it is a module wise, module 1, module 2, module 3. So we have 12 modules, and then we are going to do 2 live project also. So at the end of this,
okay,
we're doing the 2 live projects so that you have complete holistic understanding, and then you will be having those projects in your profile there, and we'll be having some dedicated workshop to work on your profile so that your profile should stand out and it should be the world class profile. And the other thing is that it is like module 1, module 2, module 3 and all, so you will be joining that part. So suppose if any chance, if you have some emergency, you have some personal thing and all, you are not able to complete this 90-day challenge, so you are most right. So suppose if you have some problem and all, or you are not able to continue this, you have to take a break, you are most welcome to continue next 90 days also.
okay,
Okay, so it is like idea is to make you successful here. It is not like just work is done and over. No, you should be
absolutely,
successful. So even if you are not able to complete this 90-day challenge, you are welcome without any fee to the next 90-day challenge, and then you continue the course. My intention is to make you successful. Till that time, you want to continue with me, you can continue with me on this journey.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Perfect.
This
And
is a great opportunity, sir. Absolutely for me.
most welcome. And second thing is that, as I told you, that we have also a lot of requirement in my organization. So once we complete this, and once you are able to complete the project and all, I will also share you few of the positions and all, so you can choose like whatever works for you. Then you can use my reference and apply for the job. So that way it works. And otherwise, there's also like thousands of positions are there in LinkedIn, Monster, Insight, and many places, Naukri and all there. So you'll be able to apply for those positions as well. And if you're looking for a long-term perspective, like becoming a, given your experience level and all, if you want to go for like say full stack data scientist and all, then you can continue with me the long journey, machine learning, advanced machine learning, and artificial intelligence. So that is the entire roadmap that we have, right? So that is how this
Okay.
entire thing is structured. And anytime you have any question, feel free to connect with me. If I'm not able to take your call, maybe I will be busy in some meeting and all, so I will message you back, and then we can connect sometime there. So I will just message and fix some time there.
Sure,
So
sure, sure.
my intention is to make you
Sure, sure,
successful.
sure.
And this is not for 3 months or 6 months or 1 year. It is lifelong. Whenever you need my help, my assistance, please feel free to connect me.
Absolutely, sir. I have also required such thing in my future as well.
Absolutely.
So that's why yeah, for this type of the courtesy, just I was following up with you last 2 years.
Okay. Thank you.
Absolutely. Sir.
So nice.
Even though I have seen so many reviews, finally I got it here. No, nothing all. Even though I got so many calls from the other universities as well,
Yes.
IIT and any other things as well. So I have rejected all things.
Right. In
Based
fact,
on the
let me tell you,
result.
on that line, I have one, like a couple of students who have enrolled for IIT Bangalore program and IIT Guwahati program for 10 months data science program, and they have paid close to 3 lakhs and all there. They were there for 4 months and all, and after that they had attended my master class, and later they joined me. But they that time they never told me that they had already enrolled for IIT program. After 3 weeks or 4 weeks, they told me that they were part of the IIT program, but they were there for 3-4 months. But now they want to come back, and the reason is that what they have done in 3-4 months time, it is all theoretical thing they have done. Like there was no
absolutely,
real industry thing. Like what they were saying that for last 4 months I am just learning Poisson theorem, binomial theorem, all the mathematical model. I mean, that is not relevant, much relevant to the real industry, right? Because this already, the model is already there. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel. We need to
Yeah,
use them
absolutely.
and use the applied mathematics there. So then they said that, okay, that is why I thought like I'm just wasting my time. So only for the name of the large institute and all. So I want to see the real picture there. So they are the part of the program.
So that's why, sir, that's why I connected with you. So this is actually we all know the theoretical things, okay, but
That's
the
right.
what is required by the professionally and in hand experience, that is the required and one thing.
Absolutely, absolutely. So nice to talk to you.
This is not the my journey for 3 to 4 months.
Right.
I will continue, and finally you will be proud of me. That's my people become a data scientist as well.
Absolutely. So see, that is what like I also do my Hall of Fame interview with all my successful students. Those like see what I'm saying to be very frank. That's it. 100% people are not successful. Be very honest with you. Only 60-70% people get very good result, and the reason is that they are very consistent. They attend all the program online, like live with me and all. They do not bunk, and the whatever the assignment is given, they continue this thing. So those who are like very much disciplined, they continue the program, they get a very good success. Only people who like take this thing lightly after admission also, they do not join the class, attend this thing personally, and that is why I'm seeing that those people are not able to get the result. Otherwise, I want each and every person to be successful in my organization, and I conduct Hall of Fame interview that how was the journey, what has inspired him to complete this, how he has got the job or she has got the job, and how this program has helped. So I am like very positive that with you also we'll be having the Hall of Fame interview, and your success story many people will be
Thank you,
inspired
sir.
to see and watch.
Absolutely. Even though I have challenged myself, I become the data scientist within the given time frame as well.
Right, right.
I have challenged myself.
Okay, perfect. That's awesome. I mean, that way it is a challenge, and you should be able to complete this thing. So that is the inspiration.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
Excellent. So thanks a lot, Tikam, for your time. Please feel free to connect me whenever you get
Thank
this.
you, sir.
So with this, I'll just stop the recording now.